Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am actually really excited for today's video because I have partnered with Zeelool for the third time. I'm really excited because they sent me new pairs of glasses and they sent me an email with a teaser of what the glasses look like, and I am so excited. There are such cute styles. Now you guys, I absolutely did not open up this box yet because I wanted to look at them with you together, because there's one thing seeing it in pictures and then to see it in person. Sometimes pictures don't do them justice, and I have been absolutely infatuated with their glasses because they have so many options. But you guys, before we jump into this, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications to new videos, and if you like this video, make sure you hit a big thumbs up. But let's dive into this package from Zeelool. Okay, you guys, so I have my handy dandy little scissors here, and we are going to open up together and see what they sent us. Another amazing thing that Zeelool did was give me a discount code for you guys so you can save a little bit of money even on your super affordable glasses. It's on the screen as well as in the drop down box down below, so definitely go check them out. I also put their links so it's really easy for you to find them on the web. Make sure to get your eyes checked. I did that a couple months ago, and I did it because I was having some issues and I wanted to make sure that my eyes were okay. So one of the things discussed with the optometrist was that my eyes were fine, but sometimes you just need something to help minimize the use of computers, cell phones, just technology. And he recommended blue light glasses. So I had already started searching on Zeelool, but they reached out to me before I made that purchase. And I'm so excited that they did because I have absolutely loved the styles that they've picked out for me. And then I get to try out different styles that I wouldn't normally pick for myself, and I have absolutely loved them. Another great thing about Zeelool is they are super affordable. When I look at the price for a pair of glasses, whether you get blue light, prescription, maybe you want sunglasses, because they have something for everyone, they don't overcharge for frames or any of those extra add-ons, because no one wants to spend $300 on a pair of glasses and then only have that one option. I love being able to change out my glasses, whether I'm sitting at the computer, I'm sitting at work, keeping a pair in my backpack or in my Jeep, especially when I'm a passenger. I'm not always just sitting there not doing anything. Sometimes I'm checking my phone, and I like to have a pair of glasses wherever I'm at. So I love that, and this has given me that option. Now, first thing in here, one of the big things that I forget to talk about, they actually have a ruler in here so you can actually measure your face and how wide you want your glasses. They tell you the different widths for the glasses that they have, so it makes it easy to figure out what size you need. And then there are plastic bags in here for the styles, but they don't usually come in those plastic bags because they have them in the individual glasses bags, and then there's the glasses cleaner, and a lot of times there are plastic coverings on them so that you know they're not scratched. That film is there to protect them. So I'm really excited to see what we have. Okay, you guys, so this first pair, like I said, they each individually have their own package, and I love that they wrap them up in here in the cloth so you know they're protected when they ship. Oh my goodness, this, guys, look at this detail already. Look at the zippers. That is so cute. I'm excited for these. So like I said, they do have that plastic covering to make sure that they are nice and fresh. Oh, that's such a great feeling to know that you're the first one to rip that plastic off. Oh, stunning. Now let me see if I can find these really quick. They do have an app. I absolutely love the app. It's so easy to navigate. Okay, so this first pair is Alfred. Like I said, this is such a cute little detail. Look at that zipper. This is one of those transparent gray shades. It's such a pretty acrylic shade. And then the other great thing is, even if you don't want it in gray, they have other shades available as well. So you're not limited to the colors that you choose. Oh, look at this. I love this. I don't think I have any gray acrylic pairs. It's such a cute detail, just out of nowhere on the side. Because when you look head on, you're just professional and cute. And then you look on the side and you just got the unzippered shirt. These are so cute. It does have a little flare, which I love. If you've seen any of my other unboxing videos from Zeelool, they just have some of the cutest styles, color options, just all around amazing. Another thing I love to discuss is the nose pieces. So this is all one piece. You don't get the separate pieces on here, which is nice because then I don't have to worry about like, are they gonna fall apart or anything like that? So this right here, even though it looks like it has a little bit of my makeup on it, it didn't remove it from my nose, which sometimes is a pain. Okay, for the next pair, ooh, look at those. I know you're like, it's still wrapped up. I love the earpieces. I haven't even unwrapped the rest of it and I'm in love with these earpieces. Okay, this pair is Olivia. Oh, look how stunning this color is. I was infatuated with the earpieces off the bat. They're just a dark blue shade. But then looking at this, you have the ombre effect between the light blue to dark blue, the gold detailing on the earpiece going into the end of it. Same thing with the nose piece, the acrylic piece right here, all one piece. And then even on the front, you have the gold studs. You guys, these are so cute. They're adorable. I am in love with these. And this isn't a pair that I would normally pick for myself because of the angle and the cat eye, but I have grown to love the cat eye effect. These are so cute, you guys. What do you think? I'm speechless. They are so cute and adorable. I can't say because it's too early, this might be my favorite pair. And I say that and then I still have some more in here. This one, let's see, what do we have? Okay, so we have matte black, which I'm a fan of because I have to keep my glasses for work very neutral. They're not supposed to distract from uniform or anything like that. So I like that there is a matte black pair. Okay, this pair is Malcolm. I love that it's just the matte black all the way around. It's not shiny, it's just smooth and even soft to the touch. It's not like that, like soft, but it's just nice and soft matte. Ooh. These are so much fun. Okay, you guys, for a minute I was just like, I'm getting the Incredibles Edna vibes. I just pulled up a picture of her. Her glasses are circular, but they are matte black. I absolutely love these. I absolutely love how thick and chunky this frame is. It is such a cute pair. And it's funny that the first thing that popped into my head was Edna from Incredibles. These are so cute. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. We're only 3 pairs in. I like these because they'll go with a lot of things and just simple. You don't need a lot of detail. It's matte black all the way around. Frames, earpieces, even the nose pieces. But these are such a nice frame. Look how thick that is too. And they're lightweight. Even with how thick they look, they are actually really lightweight when you're wearing them. Okay, and then on to this pair. Ooh, I'm seeing some gold detailing on this. And these are like a burgundy shade. Okay, you guys, this is funny. The name of these are Lorraine. That's my middle name, you guys. And actually, my middle name was my great-grandmother's name. And I am honored to have her name as my middle name. But these are such a fun pair. Look how stylish these are. The accents, the gold that just protrudes out. Such a cute pair. Now, when I looked these up on the app, they have them in sunglasses, which these sunglasses I absolutely need. Look at those. I want them so bad. I'm about to go order them. Now, back to the pair that we have at hand. So the nose pieces look like they're metal, but there's actually a silicone piece on it. It is one of those pieces that it's kind of like detachable. So be careful with that. I know that I'm really bad about that. But look how cute these are. I absolutely need the sunglasses of these. I love the burgundy frames. When I first looked at these on the app, they looked like they were brown. They are not. They are burgundy. Look at the stunning shade. And these gold accents on the side, on the upper part of it, super cute, as well as the bridge for the nose. The earpieces are all that burgundy acrylic. Such cute detailing. These might be my favorites. Oh, so cute. Would you wear these? Are these your style? Are they your color? I am currently in love with this. You guys, I'm bummed. We only have 2 more pairs. All right, so this one has the clear earpieces. Okay, this pair is Yosef. Look at this. The detailing on this is stunning. It's clear acrylic with black outlining, and then on the side for the earpieces, you've got the clear acrylic, as well as you have some silver metal bits in here. Love this. I really like this style, and then when I looked online, they have it in hot pink. There's like lime green. You guys, I love the color options. I love the availability of Zeelool. Definitely go check them out, especially if you want something that has personality, is different. I absolutely, like, these are a lot of fun. I love the angle on the frame. These are very mod to me. Let me know your thoughts. I'm really interested. These are so much fun. And the silver detailing on the side. So cute. Okay, and then the last pair. Let's see what we've got. Ooh, we have leopard print. Love, love, love leopard print. I don't wear it often. Sometimes I just like it as an accent. And these are like the soft matte. Is it leopard or giraffe? Someone let me know down below. Do you think that this is leopard or giraffe? Okay, you guys, I'm wrong, and this is why you look at the app. Okay, so this pair is Dennis, and this is light tortoise. I love this. I want to say, have I gotten Dennis before? I think I have, but in a different like color. I love the oversized. Absolutely love it. And this is the coolest effect. It goes from tortoise to an ombre of like a yellowish, like a pale yellow. So much fun. Look at the details. And then you've got the gold bridge piece. You have the tortoise all on the earpieces. So cute. Oh, like I said, go check them out. I will put the link down below. You guys. You guys, that is it for this unboxing. I had to go and pick out my favorite pair, which was really hard because I absolutely love this pair. I love the detailing on it. I love the gold. I love the burgundy. Such a fun pair. But I did also like the blue. Sometimes it's just hard to choose, and that's why I love the options. I love being able to put a pair in the backpack, in the Jeep, at work, on the coffee table when I'm editing video. Just all throughout the house, I have a pair of glasses just stashed for when I need them. But you guys, that is it for this video. Definitely go check out Zeelool. I guarantee you, you will not be disappointed. You guys, I love changing out my glasses like I change out my accessories because they are definitely that. They are something that just expands your style. So let me know your thoughts down below. Let me know if you go and pick up a couple pairs because I'm interested in the styles that you like. Maybe I will also like them. But you guys, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications, new videos. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys, bye. And I'll see you in the next one.